Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an LED panel. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First off, we need some kind of LED. For that I'm using this kind. I took 9 of them. These need 3 volts to light up. Next, I took a strip board aka copper line PCB. And solder them according to a schematic. Link is in the description. Once I have soldered all of the LEDs, I applied 9 volts to the panel to see if it was working, which it did it flawlessly. If you want, you can even add a diffuser dome to diffuse the light. I hope you have learned something new. Stay creative and I will see you next time.